All right, so we are doing Chapter 8, Exercise 6 right now. We're going to be using the line command to draw both some lines using both incremental and absolute coordinates, just so that you can see how those work. So, and then we're going to draw some circles using the tangent radius option as well, so that you learn how to use those tools too. So let's start with the line. So, and as we draw our first line here, you see the absolute coordinate point that we're given in this drawing is that lower left-hand coordinate of 2 comma 2. So I'll go ahead and type that. Now you'll see then that the next coordinate at this point is 8 comma 0, and I'll just go ahead and hit the enter button. So now I go minus 4 comma 4, hit the enter button, and that brings us back. We've got our endpoint object snaps. So right click, I've got the circle, the triangle done using those coordinates. Now all I need to do is go through and do those circles. And again, we're using the uh, tan radius circle to method. But now we're given the diameters of these circles, not the radiuses. So we're going to have to remember that now. So we're going to start here, the tan. So the first tangent of the circle is going to be on this line and this line. And now it wants the radius of this, which it's a 1 inch diameter. So that's a ½ inch uh, radius. So let's go back, do the same thing. We're tangent here, tangent there. The radius here, we're given a diameter of 2, so that is a 1 inch radius. And then lastly, we'll go ahead and place this one here and here, radius of 0.5 again. And there we have it. That is the Chapter 8, Exercise 6. So let's go ahead and we'll go File, Save As. Bring that up. This will be Chapter 8. EX, so CH8EX6. Don't forget your hyphen, your first and last name there as we go. So bring that back and save that so it's ready to go. And that is this drawing.